Okay, here's the issue I'm having. I did rebuild the Carter WO. Everything is set to specifications. We do have a spark on the engine. I don't have the fuel pump hooked up yet because the fuel pump, I don't know if it's functioning correctly, and I also don't have a functioning tank. So I've been adding gas. I did put some gas in the bowl, and I poured a little in the throat of the carb. So I'm gonna show you kind of what's going on with this when I try to start it, and see if y'all can give me some advice on how to resolve this. If I can get my camera set up real quick, and then what I'm getting is there's a little bit of firing that's happening outside of the mouth of the carb. So it's actually kind of, I'm seeing a flame come up this direction. So let me go ahead and turn it over here. So that's what it's currently doing. So any advice on what I need to check on this carb, any adjustments I need to make? I know this is not the correct carb for this Jeep. It should be the YS, but this is what I have for now. This is what was on it previously. So any suggestions I'd truly appreciate. Appreciate your time. Thank you.